Longlit High School along Ingdeng Pli Gunot Sofajai Mek ke Paman Pon. Lakhain koi Singhasan Harvard Longlit High School along Arkoi Niphai Inkoi Arni Ada Porphai Sirkep Apor Malompen Ingdeng Pli Gunot Sofajai Mek ke Deng Pon. Bangsoron Assam Government Atumpen Pathik Ponsi Government School along Tin Sitame Education Gunot Sof Deng Ponlo. Lason si Longlit High School along Sitame Arona Tengpen Deng Ponlo. Lapusona Porahut Singhasan Local MEC Mate Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council EM in Charge Agriculture Land and Revenue Excise and Land Reform etc. Amar Singh Tiso Chitong Dunsi Exam Question Paper Unboxing Claim Dunsi Charlie Oso Maratum Do An Lapen Apia Potumaphan Ke Charlie Anathu Ke Paprang Dunang Jiaputhak Than Pajermi Ponlo Bangsolong SMDC Mepu Dr. Lipson Rongpi Durgeswar Saikya Headmaster Lapen Kongchun Bang Pen Danglok SMDC Bang Phu Bang Phiatum Chetongsi Gunotsov Mesen Pen Pajut Ponlo Longlit Pen Joysing Senar Inglongkiri Abirta.
Okay.
Good morning, sir.
And Longlit High School is the highest and the prestigious institution of Singhasan MSc Constancy. So, and we are very lucky to have our school managing committee president, Mr. Dr. Lipson Rongpi, and liaison officer, nodal officer, headmaster, and all teaching staffs, and all my students. I have heard the morning prayer, your commitment. As we all know that we all are students, and today's students are tomorrow citizens. You all have to look together. Karbi Anglong, Assam, India, you all have to look together. So we all are students, and bearing this identity in our mind, let us bring the good name of this college, this institution, this high school, and all. As all of you know that we all are students, so we have to bear in our mind, we have to bring communal harmony in our society, we have to work hard. As all of you know, this world is very competitive. So you have to work hard, you have to burn midnight oil. There is no easy way, there is no shortcut. So quality education is very important. And without personality, you won't be able to gain anything. So degree with personality. So to get your personality, your knowledge, you have to work hard. And as soon as we enter in our compound, our identity should be, I'm not a Karbi, I'm not a Bengali, I'm not a Garo. Our identity should be a student of this Longlit High School. Okay?
Okay, sir.
So, thank you very much for welcoming me with this Karbi Poho and this Gamusa and all. So, thank you.
Duarbaguri 26 constituency ke parlo dolamara ahithia dung KCS asai hemalong ronga sara tumpen certificate kacheron pon. Pini Duarbaguri 26 constituency angkang doan ronga searching room si Pini Dolamara Cultural Complex along ronga sara tumpen certificate cheron pon. Bang some along ka chepahem pupon lake rong asar dun chun bang mensing terang pensi chepahem pupon. Lapen bang some along aluhi aman peng ka chetong dun lake Duarbaguri VDC chairman sar koirong phar chetong dun. Lapen KCS mai Pusunaram Singnar chetong dun lapen Ronga sar kong chun bang Divinson terang pen bang some long ke than pon ke nilitum ronga saraphan Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council ke charia bang phu CM Dr. Tuliram Ronghang ahin pen nilitum ronga sar ko an arni pen lo ne ke mang pen nilitum aphan nang ke pachun pia pot choro par piklo pota ningje pon lapen kado kave ronga sar do anatum pen jumesen alam chethan pon Lapen Duarbaguri Education EM Richard Tokbia Phanta Choro Par Piklo Nili Tuma Phan Dor Pro Pen Ke Choki Jun Lapen Kaprek Nang Kacherap Dona Potputa Ningje Pon To Tangte Perangkia Thengno Ka Ningje Alam Arjusinen Nili Pen Lucas Tangma Inglongkiri Abirta
Kena sot nai bang ke certificate council pen itu सरकार हिन पे नहीं तुम सर्टिफिकेट है पिदो रोंग साल ना tak juga so posisi tu singrum lo lapen atau biduar baguri mana krem ku pen cenglok doi huri number 1 an sang bong sini tu bici pai lo manda citong ada lah pina tundulang non bang kebak mui dulang jadi bang paru isi bang kebak trok cilong lo ning sam lo ada vitamin ni tunta aja betul pena ke som abang ke cun lo pusing kerana ini dulang pus tame isiang dengan itu yang cun
antala non pen bang keladak arona luat teng pen kang sai rong asar tum kang sai kopi ni lapang soput hak nang tum ititin tanya mah
labang ini tu malah itu mah rona lulong masih tu $60 rona luat teng pen so sini tu murong cari calompon mah bisa kidar pen cenglok lah ni tu kasotin si klempo lah pen itu pan jadikan kacit tonti kacit tumpra ka beta jepan administration hin pen tame ni tu pan sekina pigi pan lai ni tu adim bitik lo ilong bangke dola maraman lo la pen ke nili pen dadak dola terapung part pen an bangga sero la roket nili pen roket dola mara lo ko baro ke susi la pen ke ko lo dala solo krem kru pendak diringan bangke ko halong se pecik po lapen ke dai thor long tame dai thor dak along su pen senglok dai thor dai huri langkhang rong monghat la tu tame an ke dai thor si tu gumuniram lang ne me model holong se patuji la bang ini tu madin pecik cek halang tu sini tu mana piji port pen sini tu made ta piji asal sini tu seki tu jatuh itu ngomong kasih tonti rong asa rule belek aron ni kadu ta isiat mati ya rong asa rule belek ala pu kini administration atau rule belek gitu hino rai mati azila so pasat tonye pansi ni tuman sekina kiri pan lampu
Sa so din man ko pigitong na ko mo